Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to preserve your pumpkin seeds for planting.
Hello YouTube. So me and Skylar here are going to cut open this pumpkin and get the seeds out. The seeds from this pumpkin, I paid $75 for 2 seeds. And so this was the outcome of the 2 seeds. So I grew one and I want to get a lot more seeds so I don't have to pay $75 again. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this open, and then I'm going to take all the seeds out in the pulp that they come in, and I'm going to put them in these pans over here and let them dry out. And I don't need too many, if I can get a couple hundred or whatever. Okay, so we're going to cut the top off now, Skylar, and we're going to go ahead and get the seeds out so we can grow another giant pumpkin.
It's a baby.
Yeah.
It's baby happy.
Yeah, baby happy. Yeah. I like your shoes. Pretty cool. High five. Thanks for helping Daddy out. So guess I'll start here. You ready, Skylar?
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay, you ready? Look. Wow.
Did you eat it?
Look. Ugh.
I want to eat it, Mommy.
Okay, look, we can get the pumpkin seeds out now. That's what we're trying to get.
I want to eat it one. We don't have one.
Oh. Let's give this to let's go give some to the chickens. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna get some of this to the chickens. Here, here. They're not angry, they're happy. Elvis, he's angry. He's mean. Yeah, the rooster. Yeah. Okay, so here's our seeds. These things here in this pulp. I'm gonna go ahead and... Okay, Skylar, we're gonna put this stuff inside of there, okay?
Mommy.
Here.
Mommy.
Yep.
Mommy.
Okay, Dad's gonna cut this open a little more. Okay, so I got it all cut up into pieces. I'm gonna feed some to the chickens. I don't know if they're gonna eat it. And then the rest is gonna go into a mulch pile. And then this is what we got out of this pumpkin.
So I got my seeds here. I have a piece of cardboard underneath here, and I put them in a baking tray. I didn't have, if I had a piece of, or a cardboard box of some sort, they were similar to the size, I would have used that, but I didn't have that, so I had to resort to this. And so basically, you put all your seeds in here when they're all clean, and you store them inside, and it takes about 5 to 7 days for them to dry. And every day you're going to come out here and you're going to come to your seeds and you're going to move them around something like this and get them from not sticking to the cardboard. And then you'll do that every day. In about a week, they should be dry. Then you're going to take a paper envelope, and you have to use a paper envelope. You don't want to use plastic, anything plastic. And the reason being is when these dry, when you think they're dry in about a week, they still have moisture in them. And so if you store them in plastic, most likely they're going to rot and be destroyed by the time you need to plant them in the spring. So you want to make sure you put them in paper, something that's going to have some kind of airflow. Very important. Don't forget to do that. And that's it. And then your seeds are ready to go. Pretty simple. Just a little time consuming. Takes about a week. A little bit of work. But yeah, simple enough. Please like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.